When it comes to Ontario country properties, this English country estate is an absolute rare beauty. While the current owners have lovingly used this property for the most noble of causes, over 7,500 square feet of home and 55 acres has a plethora of opportunity and potential awaiting. What an incredible entrance as you walk right into this gorgeous two-story library reception hall with a central staircase that truly serves as the heart of this home. Both the library and the staircase welcome you into this English country estate, showcasing the custom woodworking throughout in all its timeless style. Situated on the main floor are 7 of the 10 well-proportioned bedrooms. Natural light floods in from all the large windows, offering striking views of the countryside no matter where you look. One bedroom offers an ensuite, while the other bedrooms are well served by 2 4-piece bathrooms, the laundry room, and a powder room. From the entrance hall, take the staircase up to the galleried second level, and truly the heart of this home. The second floor is perfect for large gatherings and entertaining guests with its open concept layout featuring a vast kitchen with a massive island, a breakfast bar, a small butler's kitchen, and a bistro area. Open the French doors off the bistro area to enjoy over 60 feet of balcony space with a built-in fireplace for those cooler fall days and stunning views of the pond and fields. You will also find a dining room, a living room, a sunroom, and a bedroom or a sitting room with an ensuite, which also has a walkout to the wraparound balcony. This home also benefits from a fully furnished lower level. This space accommodates a rec room, a yoga room, a gym, a utility room, 2 offices, sitting rooms, 2 bedrooms, and a 4-piece bath. For the horse lovers, there is a 60 by 30 6-stall horse barn with an attached studio apartment, paddocks, as well as a 100 by 150 indoor riding arena. It's really hard to know what's more impressive, the English country home or the 55 acres of garden, ponds, paddocks, river, trails, which all really needs to be seen. This magnificent country property has it all.